ISO 21001 AI Model, Layer-Wise Weight Analysis Bar Chart with Line Chart. Model by Pradeep K. Suri. This image is a layer-wise weight analysis visualization of an AI/ML model, contextualized under ISO 21001, which is the international standard for educational organizations management systems, EOMS. Below is a detailed explanation tailored to the education sector. Magnifying glass tilted left graph overview. This dual-axis chart represents bar chart, cyan mean of absolute weights in each layer. Line chart, red standard deviation, STD-DEV, of weights in each layer. It visualizes how weights are distributed across layers in a deep neural network, DNN, model. Bluebook interpretation in the ISO 21001, education, context. ISO 21001 emphasizes personalized learning, effective and inclusive educational delivery, data-informed decision-making. This chart supports those principles as follows. Brain layer analysis in AI/ML educational models. Layer name role in model mean ABS weight STD-DEV educational relevance. Input_layer feature intake high diverse student data features have strong influence important for adaptive learning. Hidden_layer_1 processing moderate general abstraction of concepts relevant for early stage cognitive modeling. Hidden_layer_2 deep reasoning lower suggests limited variability in concept relationships may need review if flexibility is required. Output_layer prediction high critical decisions, example performance prediction, dropout risk, rely heavily on prior processing. Chart increasing chart design for ISO 21001 compliance. Two-line title, clearly communicates the context AI in education and authorship by Pradeep K. Suri. Visual clarity, dark theme, color-coded bars and lines, clear legends important for accessibility and transparency in education. Statistical representation, helps in evidence-based curriculum improvement, a core ISO 21001 value. Direct hit practical implications for education leaders. 1. Curriculum design feedback. If middle layers show low mean/STDEV, it may indicate underutilized topics or poorly connected concepts in the curriculum model. 2. Adaptive learning. High weight variance in input/output layers supports dynamic decision systems for tailoring learning to student needs. 3. Transparency and quality assurance. Visualizations like this promote educational accountability, traceability of decisions, and system-wide clarity. White heavy checkmark conclusion. This chart is a practical embodiment of ISO 21001 values. Transparency. Data-driven improvement. Stakeholder satisfaction, students, educators. Educational equity through AI insights. It visually demonstrates how deep learning models can support quality education by analyzing how input data, example student performance metrics, flows through conceptual layers to yield meaningful educational outcomes. Thank you.